Welcome to Placeit.net. Your logo in just a few clicks with this logo maker. Create bold, iconic logos in seconds made by professional designers and customize it to make your own unique design for free. Unique logos made by professionals. Unlimited graphics and free fonts. High-resolution logos to print or share anywhere. From gaming logos, music logos, and sports logos, we have a design template for every industry. Visit Placeit.net/logos. Let's create a logo for your brand. If you look at the top menu, you should see a tab that says Logos. Let's hover our mouse over that. Now, from the drop-down menu, you will see tons of different categories and subcategories that you can select from to create your logo. They have logo templates available for topics like clothing and beauty, education and arts, gaming, lifestyle, fitness, music and podcasts, and tons more. Here, this will take you to a page where you can enter your company or your brand name. Adding your brand name here will add your brand name to all of the logo templates that we'll be viewing shortly. This will give you a better idea of how your brand name will look with each template. While browsing, so for my example brand name, I think I'll call my company Garmento. Once you have added your brand name, go ahead and click the next drop-down menu right-hand side. Here you can select dozens of different industries that you can select for your brand, and industry that you select will determine the style of templates that will be displayed for your logo. For Garmento Company, once you select your industry, go ahead and choose graphic. Here I am searching graphic related to my company. The graphic that I am going to choose is a letter G related to the company name Garmento. Then this will take you to a page that displays hundreds of logo templates based on the information that you entered. Since I added my brand name, all of the logo templates will feature my Garmento brand. Also, since I selected a clothing brand as my category, the template formats and graphics should resemble a clothing brand. Now let's just scroll through the search results and check out the various logo templates for my Garmento brand. As you can see, Placeit has a wide variety of logo templates in various formats. No matter what style of logo you're looking for, Placeit will definitely have a logo template for you. Remember that all of the logo templates are fully customizable, so you can change the text, the colors, and even the graphics. I think I'll start with this logo template. Select a logo template, you'll be taken to the Placeit editor. In order to get this logo to look as good as possible, I will first hide any unnecessary text. Then I replace the tagline of the logo with the word fashion. Additionally, the brand name should be changed from small letters to capital letters. Make some text adjustments. It is also possible to change the background color according to your preferences. You can also change the logo graphic icon here, as well as the color of the icon and text. In order to match the logo icon's font color, we need to change the font color. Listed below is a huge font library from which you can choose the font that best fits with your logo icon. Now that your logo has been completed, it is ready for download. You can download your company logo by clicking here.